Adam and Charlotte from Bolts and Brass, and we're really excited to announce that we're starting a YouTube channel. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are as well. So we're now going to be posting every Monday, giving you an update on where we're at with the house, from breaking ground right through to like planning and budgeting and all that kind of good stuff in the middle, to try and give you guys a real up-to-date idea of what it's like to live in a renovation.
Yeah, I mean, we're really excited. We hope you guys are too. There's so much that we've actually got to do to this property. We really don't even know where to begin on certain bits of it. We're really close to finalising our builder as well, so fingers crossed we can get that done in the next week or two. Once that's confirmed, things will really start rolling through. So the weeks are going to start rolling by, the videos are going to start landing there on YouTube, and hopefully you can follow us on that journey to really share that experience with us.
So we hope that you'll subscribe, and we'll see you guys on Monday.
Monday.
Monday.